Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to make homemade lemonade. Let's start by gathering our simple ingredients. You'll need about 6 to 8 fresh, medium-sized lemons, 1 cup of granulated sugar, and 4 cups of cold water. Make sure you also have a large pitcher and a reliable juicer ready. These basic components are all you need to create a refreshing beverage that everyone will love, perfect for any occasion. Next, we'll prepare the simple syrup, which is key to a perfectly balanced lemonade. In a saucepan, combine 1 cup of granulated sugar with 1 cup of water. Heat this mixture over medium heat, stirring continuously until all the sugar crystals have completely dissolved. This process usually takes about 5 to 7 minutes. Once dissolved, remove it from the heat and allow it to cool down entirely. A cool syrup ensures your lemonade stays refreshing. Now it's time for the star ingredient, the lemons. Juice your 6 to 8 medium lemons until you have approximately 1 cup of fresh lemon juice. Be sure to strain the juice to remove any seeds or excessive pulp, ensuring a smooth drink. Carefully pour the cooled simple syrup and the fresh lemon juice into your large pitcher. Finally, add 3 more cups of cold water to the mixture, bringing the total water to 4 cups. With all the ingredients in the pitcher, give your lemonade a good, thorough stir to ensure everything is perfectly combined. Now, take a small taste and adjust it to your preference. You might want a little more sugar for sweetness or a splash more lemon juice for extra tartness. For the best flavor, chill the lemonade in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes. Serve it over plenty of ice, perhaps with a few fresh lemon slices or a sprig of mint for a beautiful presentation. Enjoy your delicious homemade lemonade.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.